So this is video 2 for week 1, and I'm starting at slide 20, and I'll go to, I think, slide 24. So the next few slides are about logistics, about MS Teams, and about our kind of classroom management rules. If you choose to join us during the synchronous MS Teams classes, then I ask you, if you're going to use your camera, which you're very welcome to do, can you use your webcam and display yourself, or choose an image that's respectful and professional to me and to the other students. And you know these rules: microphones, mute if you're not speaking, and please make sure that the comments in the chat are, again, professional, respectful. Fun is fine, but not anything that anyone will be offended by, please. And I will record our weekly sessions so that if you aren't able to attend and you want to see what happened, you can watch them. But I think they're only going to be available for 2 weeks. I'm not quite sure. So I don't know if they're available the entire semester. So just a heads up about that. Okay, and classroom management. During our synchronous session, I will throw it out to the students if there's, after a year of being online, if there's some rules, guidelines, policies that you'd like us to adapt or adopt for our class. You can share those and try to make things run a little more smoothly. Then during our synchronous class, we'll do some introduction activities, and if you aren't able to join us for these, I invite you to sort of still do the emoji activity that I'll talk about. So we'll do some vote with your fingers or fist, kind of. If you have your cameras on, you can do thumbs up, thumbs down. Some activities like that so that I can get to know you and you can get to know each other a little bit. And then we'll use the breakout, the rooms breakout feature in MS Teams so that I can remind myself how to use it and you can remember how to use it and we can make sure it works smoothly to play people bingo or bingo. And I'll give you the instructions. They're right here, and we'll do this little activity and then we'll rejoin. And if you're watching the videos, this is a good time to take maybe a 2-minute break, and because I'm going to move on in slide 25 into the sort of content for the week. And so I'm going to wrap up now.